When you're growing food at home, it's a good idea to always take some cuttings of the seeds that you're producing. Whatever plants have produced fruit at your home, that means they were well suited for the environment they're in. The soil, the placement, the sunlight, all that. So you want to save those seeds that they've produced so that you can grow a plant that is going to do well at the same environment next year. All you have to do is take a nice cutting. So if it's a tomato or an eggplant, let's say, you can take 2 cuttings like this and then lay them out in the sun. After a few days or a few weeks, you can come back and your fruit will be dried out. Now, you just wait until the winter months, around January. Then you start your seedlings, and then when it comes to spring, they're ready to be put into the ground, and they will produce so much good fruit for you all over again. So be like me and save your seed. I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.